Finally, there's a cellulite treatment clinically proven to be more effective. The cellulase treatment is the first and only procedure to attack the very structure of cellulite. Cellulite occurs when underlying tissue bands stiffen and the fat cells they surround enlarge, pushing up against the skin, creating that cottage cheese effect. If you have thin skin resulting from aging, cellulite is even easier to see. The cellulase procedure modifies that structure, reducing the appearance of cellulite in a single treatment. During the procedure, a tiny laser fiber is inserted under the skin, which gently heats skin and disrupts or melts the fat. Next, the laser releases the fibrous bands that pull down on the skin and create the dimpling effect. This release creates a smoother look. Finally, the laser's energy stimulates collagen production to increase your skin's depth and elasticity for a more even, healthier appearance. Just one treatment produces results like this. Ask your doctor about the cellulase treatment.